Welcome to React and Try. Sa video ito mga idol ay papanoorin muna natin at pagkatapos na ating mapanood ito ay ating gagawin sa bandang huli. Sa video ito mga idol ay magkakaroon tayo ng idea at madadagdagan ang ating kaalaman regarding sa pag-edit at yung mga ganitong klase ng mga content na ating papanoorin ay ito yung mga nagbabiral ngayon sa Reels. Kung kayo ay monetize na sa Reels at wala kayong maisip na i-content, subukan nyo yung ganitong strategy. So tara, panoorin na natin at ating pag-aralan, sabay-sabay tayong matuto sa ganitong klase ng strategy. So tara. At ito nga pala yung tinatawag na drop and catch. Panoorin natin.
How to do this. Film the first clip and drop your product. For the second clip, throw it in the air, catch it, and then drop it again. Repeat it as many times as you wish. I did 3 times, and then open all of the clips in CapCut. Select the first clip and move to the point right after you drop the product. Then press on this button here to add a keyframe. Go a little bit further when the product is out of the frame and drag your video up.
Basta dito kinakailangan lang meron pa yung CapCut ha.
Okay, now select your second clip and go to overlay. Drag it over the first clip and find the spot just before the product comes down. Now add a keyframe at the same spot as in the first clip. But this time drag the video down. Then go to the end of the first clip and drag the video up again. And then you can repeat those steps for the third video, and then your video should look like this.
Yeah.
If you want to learn more, join my free workshop. Just comment, learn.
So, yun sige mga idol yung ating gagawin. At susubukan natin itong i-apply kung makakaya natin. At kung hindi naman, at least sinubukan natin. Kayo pa kaya, kung kayo ay may mga skill sa pag-edit, ay sisiw ito sa inyo, So ngayon gagawin natin. So tara.
A few moments later.